When you are factoring a quadratic with no coefficient in front of the x squared, you are going to be looking only at these two numbers, in this case 5 and 6. The question you want to ask is what two numbers multiply to this last number but add to this middle number? So in this case, what two numbers multiply together to get 6 but add together to get 5? The best way to do this is to list the factors of your number here, 6. In this case, it would be 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. If I then were to add those numbers together, I would get 7 and 5. There's my answer, 5. So my numbers are 2 and 3. Then you would put them into your two binomial pairs, x plus 2 and x plus 3, and you would have factored it. When you add negatives to the mix, it causes a few wrinkles. For example, x squared minus 6x plus 8. When you have a negative in the middle but a positive on the end, then both numbers are going to be negative. So in this case, I have a negative number times a negative number equals a positive 8. And those same two negative numbers added together would equal a negative 6. To write my negative factors of 8, that would be negative 1 times a negative 8, or a negative 2 times a negative 4. If I add those together, I get negative 9 and then negative 6. There is my answer. So negative 2 times negative 4, negative 2 plus negative 4. And I would write my final answer as x minus 2 times x minus 4. The last and arguably most tricky of these is when the middle is positive or negative, but the last is negative. In that case, one term is going to be positive and one is going to be negative. So in this case, I want something positive and negative number that multiply to negative 12 but add to 4. The reason I say this is tricky is because you have to write out all the combinations that would multiply to this negative 12, so it's twice as many. If you go through and add these, you will discover that negative 2 and 6 add together to get 4, so that is my combination, 6 and a negative 2. And my final answer would be x plus 6 times x minus 2. If you would like a more in-depth explanation for why and how this works, as well as some full examples, please click on the long-form video linked in the description below. And if this was helpful or useful in any way, please like, share, or subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye!